What is that?
I don't know. Did you hear that?
Is it a bear?
Kind of sounds like it. Do you think maybe it could be Sasquatch? I don't know. Let's look way out there. I saw something. Did you see that?
No.
Hey everybody, so I want to preface this video by saying not everybody is up for a prank, okay? Not everyone likes to be pranked. I think most people, you can kind of get a feel of whether or not you'll be okay to prank them. Make sure to only use this prank with folks that you know, and you know that you won't get shot, okay? And you know they'll have a good laugh after it's over. So stay tuned guys, got a good one for you. So I learned about this prank, actually it was a prank on me, all right? There was a group of us out camping. This was probably 10 years ago, and we heard this crazy noise in the woods. And I've grown up in the outdoors basically, and I know what most things sound like. And I really couldn't figure out what this was. And we were in bear country, so we didn't know if it was an upset bear or a bear in distress or something like that. We didn't know what it was. And I've also gotten a couple of folks that are avid hunters. They'd have had no clue what it was. So it actually works really well. So basically what we have is a empty coffee can, a metal coffee can, and a long strap right here. So this is leather, okay, but you could also use like drawer liner, like the smoother drawer liners. Basically what happens is you put, this is just a kid's belt, You can find these anywhere, Walmart or Goodwill or anything. And you tie it in there, you drill a hole in the coffee can, and you tie the belt in there. And then you need about a good 2 feet probably, maybe a little less than 2 feet, but I'd say 2 feet's a good judge, of strap underneath, okay? Now I do think the bigger the coffee can, the better, because the coffee can is gonna give it that real hollow sound, all right? That makes it sound like it's coming from the bellows of a beast, you know, like a Sasquatch or something. So I think that really makes a difference. Make sure to get a pretty big coffee can if you can. All right, the next step is you have to wet the leather, okay? Or the drawer liner, all right? So that's very important. It's gotta make that sound, all right? And you're gonna give it a pretty good pinch, all right? And then, all right, so you'll know that was kind of bumpy. That's not gonna work for very many people. So you'll get a little bit better as you practice just. And that's going to freak some people out because the sound travels fairly well, all right? So you really should have a good time with it. So of course, as you practice with it, all right, more and more, you'll have to, you know, the short grunts and then the longer grunts, so you can kind of like. So you can see that it's a lot of fun. And like I said, make sure you know who you're pranking and just have a good time with it. Have a good one, everybody.